Did you know one of the most powerful hacking tools ever created is over 25 years old? Meet Nmap, short for Network Mapper. It was created in 1997 by Gordon Lyon, better known as Fyodor, and today it's one of the first tools every ethical hacker, penetration tester, and security professional learns. But here's the thing, Nmap doesn't hack systems. It maps them. Think of it like a radar for networks. It discovers live devices, scans open ports, identifies running services like HTTP, SSH, FTP, and DNS, detects operating systems, fingerprints software versions, and even checks for known vulnerabilities using the Nmap scripting engine, or NSE scripts. Security teams use it to audit networks, find misconfigurations, verify firewall rules, and discover forgotten devices before attackers do. Nmap supports multiple scan types, including TCP Connect, SYN Stealth, UDP, ACK, FIN, null, and XMAS scans, each designed for different networking and security scenarios. It can also perform host discovery, service enumeration, OS detection, tracer out, and save scan results in formats like XML or JSON for automation and reporting. It runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, making it one of the most versatile open source security tools ever built. Whether you're learning ethical hacking, preparing for bug bounty hunting, or defending enterprise networks, mastering Nmap is almost a requirement. It won't magically hack a target, but it will show you exactly what exists on a network, and in cybersecurity, information is everything. If you enjoyed this 100 seconds hacking tools breakdown, make sure to follow Hacker's Arsenal. I'm turning this into a series where I'll explain one cybersecurity tool every week in under 100 seconds. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next one.